Hi, babes. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is all about face, okay? Face, soft glam, serving, freckles, fluffy brow. You guys have been asking me so much how I do my brows, and y'all about to see right now because I don't play about my brows. I have not been touching them. I have not been grooming them. I've really just letting them grow as natural as possible because if you guys really look at my brows, look at the shape that they are. Like, it just doesn't make any sense. I hate that I microbladed them. I hate that I was using a razor for so long. It's just not, this ain't it, sis. So at this point, what I've been trying to do is just kind of manage them. So I have been using the ColourPop Brow Boss pencil, and I like to keep my eyebrows very natural looking and very just fluffy. So I haven't been tweezing them, I haven't been plucking them, I haven't been touching them at all. So that's why they look very mist shaped, especially my right eyebrow. For some reason, this eyebrow, I have to spend, I'm not even kidding, probably like 20 minutes on just this brow because it does not match my other brow. My other brow is living, flourishing, and this one just can't get it together. It just, no matter what I do, it just can't get it together. So I basically brush my eyebrows through a lot. Brushing them through, just so that I can keep that fluffiness. And then I use the NYX eyebrow gel. It's not the best, to be honest, but it's something to just hold my brows right now. I definitely want to try the Benefit one. What is it called? Benefit brow, what is it? I don't know what it's called, but if you guys have any eyebrow products that you feel like I would like, please let me know down below. You guys know I'm open-minded. I want to be able to try different things, but I'm not trying to, pay a pretty penny because makeup is not cheap, y'all. Not cheap. So now I'm gonna move on to foundation, but before I do, I like to take a wet sponge and just pat it over my face just to give me a little bit more moisture before I go in with my concealer, blurring out all my, concealing all my imperfections because I have quite a few of those. This video was supposed to be posted months back, but this was the infamous video that just would not upload. So now, finally, I figured it out. Lately, I've been wanting to let my natural freckles show through. So I've been focused on just using very light, minimal products. But for some reason, every single time I say that that's what I'm going to do for a makeup look, I end up using a very full coverage, medium to full coverage foundation, just like I did in this video. But lately, what I've been doing is trying to stay away from the full coverage. You see? Look at my face. Look at it. I was disappointed as heck after this because I was like, okay, you serious? You serious, D? Like, this ain't it. But it's okay. It did something. So I'm taking the sponge, just kind of patting the excess off, as always. Like, I like that it was full coverage, but I don't want full coverage because I just finished explaining to you guys that I wanted my natural freckles to show through. Like, I'm taking my concealer. I'm gonna leave all the products down below. It's just faster that way. I kind of lost all the footage of the products here, so I kind of, I'm just gonna leave them down below. Cream contouring. If you really want like that model-esque natural dewy look, then definitely start doing more cream contours instead of the powder. Try using more of the cream contours, but be careful because you'll end up doing something like this. Yep, you did it. You ain't about to go outside like this, sis. It's just not gonna work. So me acting like, like it's okay, we're all positive vibes over here, babe. We'll blend this shit out. That's exactly what I'm trying to do right here. I promise y'all, I take pictures with flash to make sure it looks okay before I walk my ass outside. Sprayed my face a little bit because I needed a lot more moisture in order to really blend that cream contour. And then, as always, going in with my Makeup Revolution Banana Light Translucent Powder. I love this powder. I'm not switching. I'm not switching, sis. If you really want me to so bad, I'm not going to, okay? Because Laura Mercier, everyone was overhyping that powder, and it disappointed me. It was making my skin look so gray. I don't know why. I don't know if it was a foundation. I don't know why, sis. But I took my bronzers. I went in with my Fenty Beauty Islanding. And then I took a little bit of the Wet n Wild Shimmer Bronzer to just kind of give me a little bit more shimmer. I am blending the translucent out. I'm really blending it out with my powder. This is a new technique I'm gonna put y'all onto. Take a sponge, and I use the Freck, the original Freck product to give me some faux freckles. And I put it on my sponge, and then I just dab it on my face lightly, and it gives me more of that natural faux freckle look. I don't want it to look fake because I've done that before, and I just, no. No. So definitely gotta put y'all onto that. Then I'm taking my Artist Couture highlight. I think this one's Diamond something. I don't remember what it's called, but again, I'm leaving all the products down below. I love this highlight. Putting y'all on to my lip technique. Okay, so I haven't gotten my lips filled in a year or so, so I've noticed them flatten out a lot. But y'all didn't even notice because I've been doing this technique, and my lips always look so voluptuous. They always look so plump. Take your cream contour and just overline your lips. Really overline them, not too much to where, you know, it looks too dramatic, it looks fake, but enough to where you're comfortable and you're like, ooh, I like that plump, I love that plump. So I'm living for this. And then take some translucent powder and place it on your lips. Place it on any lip color that you choose. This will give you that matte look without it looking like crusty. But I just love doing this. I love it. I usually take my KKW Beauty 2.5 lip liner, and I like to place that over the cream contour, and that will definitely make a huge difference too. I only really use the soft matte lip creams from NYX. Those are amazing, okay? I'm just adding some lower, you know, lash mascara and fluffing out my eyebrows again, because that's like overall what I really want all focus on is my brows, my freckles, and my lips. Yes, girl. Yes, we finally made it to the end. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being so patient with me. Honestly, I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Let me know what you want to see down below. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.